Hello students, welcome back to your computer class for standard 2. Children, open your book page number 9. Last class I have taught you types of computer. They are desktop, laptop, palm top, tablet and smartphone. Today we will continue our lesson from page number 9. Comparing computers and human beings. Here we will compare computer with the human being. We shall now study the difference between computer and human beings. Features: computer, human being. Working: the computer work on electricity, humans work without electricity. Children, computer they need electricity to work, but human being they don't need electricity to work. They need food and from there they get energy and they do the work. Task: the computer can perform many tasks at the same time. Human being can perform one or more tasks at the same time. Children, computers can do many tasks at the same time and human being can also do many tasks at the same time. Speed: computer works very fast. Human being cannot work as fast as a computer. Children, if you work with computer, you can see they work very fast and human being they cannot work as fast as a computer. Diligency: the computer can work for long hours without getting tired. Human being get tired easily and need to take rest. Children, computer they never get tired even though they work for long hours. But human being, if they work for few hours, they get tired easily and they want rest. Accuracy: the computer always gives accurate results. Human being can make mistake in their work. Children, when you do some problem in a computer, you see computer never gives you the wrong answer. You will get the accurate result. But human beings sometimes they makes mistakes in their work. Memory and storage: the computer has large memory and stores a plenty of data. Human being can store limited information in their memory. Children, computer has they can store a large number of data in their memory, but human being can store only a limited information. Repetitive task: the computer never get bored doing the same task again and again. Human being get bored after some time doing the same task. Children, in a computer if you go on doing the same work for again and again, it will never get bored. But human being, if you do one work again and again, you will get bored. Then decision making. This is very much important point. Children, see, computer cannot take decision as it cannot think. Human being can think and take decision on their own. Children, in a computer, if you work, then you can see that they cannot take their own decision. Because they cannot think like human being, but human being they can take decision of their own because they can think. It works on instruction given by the user. In a computer, whatever instruction you give to a computer, it will work on it. It cannot take its own decision. Emotions: the computer does not have any feelings. Human beings have feelings for everything. Children, as you know that computer is a non-living things. It do not have feelings, but human being is a living thing. So it have feeling for everything. A computer cannot cry or cannot laugh or cannot smile, but human being cry, human being smile. So these are the difference between a computer and human being. Then see here some important infotech terms. Desktop: a computer that is kept on a desk. Laptop: a computer that can be kept on the lap. Palm top: a computer that fits on your palm. A smartphone: a mobile phone that can do many functions of a computer. So children, our lesson 1 is completed. Your work is you will write the difference between the human being and computer in your file, homework file. Thank you children. Have a nice day.